Hey YouTubers, you're watching Jayminatech Reviews Season 1 Part 3, and in today's episode I'll tell you how to install a GPU. We'll be installing the Asus ENGT210 Silent 1GB DDR3 on Phoenix LGS 775 socket motherboard. So watch it. For open your cabinet by unscrewing the cabinet. As in this case, I have already removed the cabinet's cover. Look out for the PCI Express into 16 slot and insert your GPU into it. Here's the PCI into 16 slot, and here's my GPU, the Asus ENGT210 1GB DDR3 silent GPU. GPU has been placed inside the cabinet. Screw your GPU very tightly. Here, I have screwed it up tightly. Fit in your cabinet's cover and your graphic card has been installed. Has it been? No. Fix up the various cables. I mean the optical mouse, the optical keyboard, the VGA port, the HDMI port, the DVI support, the sound ports, the Ethernet ports, the USB objects whichever you have, blah blah blah, and obviously the auxiliary power supply. If you don't connect the VGA or the HDMI or the DVI support, nothing will turn up on the monitor. If you have Windows XP, then insert the driver CD, for example Asus VGA driver and manual, and install the drivers. Else, if you have Windows 7 or Vista, you don't have to do anything. The PC by itself will recognize the GPU. Voila, your GPU has been fixed. So guys, this was a tutorial made by me, aka Jayminatech Agent number 1. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.